In this video, I will show you how to use the TikTok Q&A feature on live. First, launch open the TikTok app. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get to your profile, you want to tap on the three lines. Here, tap on settings and privacy. Now the first thing you want to check is if your account is a creator or a business account. If it is not, then you want to change your account into creator account or business account, since the Q&A feature is only available for eligible account types. Then head back over to settings and privacy, then open creator tools. If you don't find it there, you can tap on these three lines and go to TikTok Studio. Now, if your account is eligible, you will see the Q&A option. Open it and turn on the Q&A feature for your account. Once the Q&A is enabled, start a TikTok live. During your live stream, tap on the Q&A icon, which looks like a question bubble, to view and manage questions submitted by your viewers. You can select individual questions to display on the screen and answer them during your broadcast. Keep in mind that this feature is only available to the eligible account. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.